We know that from some developmental psychology that children have this tendency towards empathy towards others, that they have a tendency to behave altruistically towards others, that they have kind of the underpinnings of morality and justice. And all of these things help a society remain together. If you have all of these psychological tendencies that are preventing you from harming others, how do you motivate people to fight against other humans? One of the most common ways is through dehumanization. There's nothing special about the teachings of religion that's driving conflict. Evidence is starting to show that the psychological tendencies that drive conflict are a complex combination of processes in the brain. They're a bunch of kind of deep structures that are underneath, that are kind of central in the brain. Oftentimes it's referred to as the reptilian brain. And we know that it responds really strongly to fear conditioning, fear learning. This kind of moral disengagement from harming others through dehumanization seems to be a major route through which you can get one group of humans to actually harm and kill another group of humans. You have a situation where you have a lot of fear activated, so the subcortical structures are kind of going off the hook. It's very strong. It has a powerful effect on our behaviors and can flip immediately. Once you've stoked this in-group fervor, it seems like that can be applied to many different outgroups. You can directly challenge this perception of dehumanization by showing someone an example of a member of the other group who's particularly human, right? Who displays these very characteristics that you define humanity by. It makes sense from a neuroscience perspective why this would be so transformative. If you eliminate that distinction between us and them, processes that would normally be there to drive conflict are now all taken offline wholesale.